Hello students, welcome back to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone. In this video, we shall take questions of statements of system of linear equations. So let us take first question. A shopkeeper has three varieties of pens A, B, C. Meenu purchased one pen of each variety for a total of rupees 21. Jinu purchased 4 pens of A variety, 3 pens of B variety, and 2 pens of C variety for rupees 60, while Shikha purchased 6 pens of A variety, 2 pens of B variety, and 3 pens of C variety for rupees 70. Using matrix method, find the cost of each pen. Solution. Let cost of one pen of A variety is equal to rupees X. Cost of one pen of B variety is equal to rupees Y. Cost of one pen of C variety is equal to rupees Z. According to question, Meenu purchased one pen of each variety for a total of rupees 21. Therefore, X plus Y plus Z is equal to 21. This is number 1. Then Jinu purchased 4 pens of A variety, 3 pens of B variety, and 2 pens of C variety. Therefore, 4x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 60. Second, and Shikha purchased 6 pens of A variety, 2 pens of B variety, and 3 pens of C variety. Therefore, 6x plus 2y plus 3z for rupees 70. This is 70. This is the system of linear equations. Linear equations. So we can write it as in the matrix form. First of all, take coefficients 1, 1, 1, 4, 3, 2, then 6, 2, 3 into variable column matrix x, y, z is equal to constant column matrix 21, 60, 70, which implies Ax is equal to B, that is x is equal to A inverse B. This is number 4th equation, where A is equal to coefficient matrix 1, 1, 1, 4, 3, 2, 6, 2, 3. X is a column variable matrix x, y, z, and B is a constant column matrix 21, 60, 70. Now we find determinant A expanded by first column First row, 1 into 9 minus 4 minus 1 into 12 minus 12 plus 1 into 8 minus 18, which will give you 5 minus 0 minus 10. This will give you minus 5. Then we find cofactors of elements of matrix A, C11, cofactors of elements of first row. It is 9 minus 4, which is 5, C12 is equal to minus 12 minus 12, 0, C13 is equal to 8 minus 18 is minus 10. Then cofactors of elements of second row. C21 is minus 3 minus 2 is minus 1. C22 it is 3 minus 6 minus 3. C23 is minus 2 minus 6. It is 4. Then cofactors of elements of third row. C31 is equal to 2 minus 3. It is minus 1. Then C32 is equal to 2 minus 4. Minus. It is 2. Then C33 is last element of third row, 3 minus 4. It is minus 1. Therefore, adjoint of A is adjoint of coefficient matrix A is equal to transpose of matrix of cofactors 5, 0, minus 10, then minus 1, minus 3, 4, then minus 1, 2, minus 1. Transpose is equal to first row will be first column 5, 0, minus 10. Second row will be second column minus 3, minus 1, minus 3, 4. Then third row will be third column minus 1, 2, minus 1. So A inverse is 1 over determinant A into adjoint of A 1 over minus 5 into adjoint of A is 5 minus 1 minus 1, then 0 minus 3 2, and minus 10 4 minus 1. From equation 4, x is equal to A inverse B. So we substitute their values. Variable column matrix x, y, z. A inverse is minus 1 over 5 into 5 minus 1 minus 1, 0 minus 3 2, minus 10 4, minus 1 into constant column matrix is 21, 60, 70. We multiply first row with this column. It is 105 minus 60 minus 70. Then second row with this column 0 minus 180 plus 140 Then third row with this column, minus 210 plus 240 minus 70, which will give you minus 1 over 5 into minus 1 over 5 into 105 minus 130, it is minus 25. Then minus 180 plus 140 is minus 40. Then 240 minus 280, it is minus 40. So this will give you x, y, z column variable matrix is equal to 5, 8, 8. This means x is equal to 5, y is equal to 8, z is equal to 8. Therefore, cost of one pen of A variety is equal to rupees 5. Cost of one pen of B variety is rupees 8, and cost of one pen of C variety is equal to rupees 8. That's all. In the next video, we shall take more questions relating to statement questions of system of linear equations. So please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel Mathematics for Everyone to see more important videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.